This is Affinity for Revit by Trelligence. This video will demonstrate the process of creating multiple design options in Revit from design scenarios in Affinity. This process allows you to move multiple designs from Affinity to Revit for further development without forcing you to create multiple Revit files. In the Affinity application, notice I am showing a building design that was created by using the easy drag and drop method in Affinity. This particular project is set up with two scenarios, Layout 1 and Layout 2. Two layout designs have been created of Story 1 of this building, for each of the scenarios. In Layout 1, notice the lobby is located on the east face of the building, with the conference room spanning along the west face. By selecting the drop-down menu of Filter Scenario, I can change this view to show Layout 2 of my design. Notice that in this layout, the lobby is protruding beyond the south face, with my conference room spanning along the majority of the northern face of the building. Spaces are assigned to scenarios by simply selecting them and assigning the proper scenario in the Properties dialog box. In the Revit application, I have a new project file open. The process of linking the Affinity file to this Revit file has been done, and Story 1 has been duplicated to show both layout options after the sync. A design option set, Story 1 Design, has been created with two options within, Layout 1 and Layout 2. The process of bringing in an Affinity scenario as a design option requires that you activate the option before running the synchronization process. After activation of the Layout 1 option, ensure the Affinity settings on what is coming over is set. Selecting Layout 1 from the Sync Scenario pull-down in the Affinity Settings dialog box and ensuring rooms are being synchronized, OK can now be selected. Selecting the Resync icon, the option of Affinity to Revit is selected. The Layout 1 design from Affinity is now created in the Layout 1 option in the Revit model. Tagging the rooms shows that the designs match, with the lobby along the east wall and the conference rooms along the west wall. Opening the Story 1 Layout 2 view, I can now change the option to Layout 2 and follow the same steps as bringing over Layout 1. Tagging the rooms again, notice the second option now matches with the lobby on the south wall and the conference rooms along the northern wall. You can now deactivate the option set and view the plan side by side for comparison and development. This concludes the video on how a design option is created from multiple scenarios in Affinity. Contact us at Trelligence for more information on Affinity.